Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am really excited to share something that can change lives. We are going to talk about the ARES International Training Scholarships in Belgium. This is a fully funded opportunity that allows students and professionals from eligible countries to study in Belgium without worrying about tuition or most living costs. Imagine being able to focus completely on your studies and personal growth while having your main expenses taken care of. That is exactly what this scholarship offers. First, let us talk about who can apply. The scholarship is open to people who are permanent residents and are working in one of the 31 eligible countries. There is one exception for Palestinian nationals who can also apply even if they are not living in one of the listed countries. So, which countries are eligible? The list is quite diverse. From Africa, you have countries like Benin, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cameroon, Democratic Republic of Congo, Ethiopia, Guinea, Kenya, Madagascar, Mali, Morocco, Mozambique, Niger, Rwanda, Senegal, South Africa, Tanzania, Tunisia, Uganda, and Zimbabwe. From South America and the Caribbean, there are Bolivia, Cuba, Ecuador, Haiti, and Peru. And from Asia, you have Cambodia, Indonesia, Nepal, Philippines, and Vietnam. On top of that, nationals from Palestine are also eligible. Now let us go into academic and professional requirements. If you are applying for a specialized master's program or continuing education, you need to hold a qualification that is equal to what in Belgium is called a second cycle diploma, which usually means around 300 credits, if you are applying for a specialized bachelor's program. You need the equivalent of a first cycle diploma, usually around 180 credits. On top of that, you need to have at least 2 years of professional experience in a relevant field in one of those partner countries. So what exactly does the scholarship cover? A lot, actually. First, your international travel is covered. They provide a round-trip ticket in economy class on an approved airline. Tuition fees are taken care of for bachelor's and specialized master's programs. If your visa expenses go beyond €200, those are covered as well. You also receive a monthly allowance for living costs for up to 12 months, and on top of that there is a smaller 13th month allowance. Health insurance is included. If you are going for continuing education, your program costs are covered through something called mission expenses instead of tuition. The duration is also clear. Bachelor's and master's scholarships run up to 12 months, while continuing education programs are shorter, lasting anywhere between 2 to 6 months. Now let us talk about the kinds of programs you can choose from. There is one specialized bachelor's program in business data analysis. There are 10 different specialized master's programs, including areas like human rights, disaster risk management, international and development economics, microfinance, public health methodology, transport and logistics, social innovation design, water energy, food nexus, and more. Then there are 6 continuing education certificates that cover topics like data science for global health, digital pedagogy, transitional justice, sustainable development management, quality assurance for health products, and geographic information systems training. So what about logistics like travel, accommodation, and visa support? Travel is paid for, health insurance is provided, and exceptional visa expenses are covered. Accommodation itself is not separately provided, but that is what your monthly subsistence allowance is for. That allowance is meant to help you pay for housing, food, and personal needs during your stay. Next, let us talk about the application process. Everything is done online through a platform called Giraffe. You start by creating an account. Then under My Tasks you will find the competitive call section where you can open your application. You can work on it, save it, edit it, and finalize it before the deadline. The important deadline to remember is September 19th, 2025 at noon Belgian time. So what documents are required? You will need certified copies of your diplomas, full academic transcripts for all years, 2 recommendation letters either academic or professional, a certificate of nationality or a copy of your passport, proof of employment for the past 5 years, and sometimes a pre-project proposal depending on the program. Now, how do you make your application strong? A few things are very important. First, write a clear and meaningful motivation. Show not only why you want the program, but also how it connects to your work and how it can help you make a real difference in your country. Second, highlight your professional experience. Show concrete examples of projects you worked on and explain what. Skills you bring. Third, choose a program that matches both your background and your future goals, so the selection committee sees a natural fit. Fourth, ask for recommendation letters from people who know your strengths and can give specific examples of your abilities. Finally, do everything early. Do not wait until the last day to upload documents, because technical issues can ruin an otherwise strong application. Think of your application as a way to tell a story. Your story. It is about who you are, where you come from, what you have done, and what you hope to achieve. Let us imagine this together. You open your email one day and see that you have been accepted for the ARES scholarship. That means you are heading to Belgium with your travel paid, your studies fully covered, health insurance included, and monthly support for living expenses. You are about to spend months in a European country known for its rich culture and high-quality universities, learning skills that you will carry back home to improve lives and strengthen your community. So, if you are from one of those eligible countries, if you meet the requirements, and if you are ready to take this leap, go ahead and apply. The opportunity is real, the funding is solid, and the impact can be huge. Thank you for watching, and I hope this inspired you to take action. Make sure to start your application early, prepare your documents carefully, and give yourself the best chance to succeed. I wish you the very best, and maybe, just maybe, I will be saying congratulations to you when you are accepted into the ARES international training. Scholarships in Belgium.